Hi everyone, it's me again, Mary Jane Gutierrez at your service. So in this video, we're going to check on the new Free Traffic Resources Volume 1. In a nutshell, this offers a premium 14 email newsletters on the subject of little-known free traffic written by Cam Jennings, okay? So PLR, or Private Label Rights, Free Traffic Resources Volume 1 emails are ready to roll strong for you. We all know that anyone who wants to have any kind of success, big or small, needs traffic, right? So this product is a 14 email, 7,749 words to be exact, on this in-demand subject, and nowhere else is this available. Traffic is a topic that holds a lot of interest for marketers in all niches because it is so important and can be relevant for any subject, right? Also, these emails come with a special made-to-fit affiliate program black book with some of the best affiliate programs that would fit right into this email sequence. So there's plenty of opportunity for your customers, right? If they jump in now and learn to take advantage of these amazing, often overlooked traffic sources. All right, but that's for you to teach, okay? That's for you to teach them, and you won't have to lift a finger to do so. This email training has done all of the work for you. It is a powerful, done-for-you email training series that you can sell at 100%. Right, that's right, 100%. So what are we waiting for? Let's dig in. Okay, so here we are on the sales page of the Free Traffic Resources Volume 1. So this is what you can see here. Just on the headline, it says an original 14 email newsletter on 15 free traffic sources, 7,749 words with PLR license included. So what is PLR? So I saw here at Google, it says here, private label rights help you save time in creating content by buying rights so that you can modify and in most cases claim ownership of materials. You can obtain PLR licenses for articles, ebooks, software, video, audio, and graphics. For example, you can buy PLR articles, rewrite them to post on your blog. So this will actually help you get out of the guessing game on what to do or what to write on your email, right? So this is a done for you 100% information that you can actually send to your customers, right? So it says here, Epic Conversion presents Free Traffic Resources Volume 1, a premium 14 email newsletter on the subject of little-known free traffic, proudly written by Cam Jennings. Okay, so they have an early bird list. If you click on my link down below, you'll be getting this product, and I will actually have a bonus included on this one, right? So let's go there before I continue on the sales page. So this is the bonus page. Okay, it says here, attention, this special bonus page comes down at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursday, March 3rd. So all you need to do is just click the description or the link that I provided down the description below of this video, okay, so that you can grab the free traffic resources. All right, so this is what you can actually see. All right, on the front end, free traffic resources, this is just $5.99. Access the powerful free traffic resources software and training modules, right? And they actually offer a lot of upsells here. Upsell number 1, deluxe media package, which is worth $37. Upsell number 2, underground traffic report, $15.99. Upsell number 3, 37 pivotal audio lessons, $19.99. Upsell number 4, Guru in a box set, $19.99. Upsell number 5, the Sabre launch system, which is $97. And upsell number 6, Epic Conversions Insiders Club, $10.80 per month. So with this one, it's my monthly group coaching club. The Insiders Club offers group coaching, original monthly product releases, and done-for-you content packages in the IM space. So here's are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. the complete free traffic resources, volume 1, 14 email autoresponder sequence, 7,749 words. The FTR V1 affiliate program black book is a selection of made to fit affiliate program for this email sequence so that you can begin using the sequence quickly. So the how to use FTR V1 training video that show you exactly how to use these emails to make money. The Save List Wizard is a 6-video training that shows you how to start building email lists with safe lists and then automate the whole thing. An official PLR license so that you can not only use these emails to your advantage, but you can sell them, guys, as well as an real asset. Okay, so all of this is covered by a no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee. Yay, I like that. You know how much I like that, guys. So let's go ahead and show you the bonuses that is included if you purchase this product. Okay, so you will be get free traffic resources now and get all the bonuses below. Bonus number 1, here we go. Hack $200 per day on autopilot. Number 2, hack access Jono's headlines hack. Number 3, hack 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. And bonus number 4 is hack access timeless traffic. And bonus number 5, the last but not the least, is the access all vendor bonuses that's included in the product, right? So again, if you are interested to receive all of these bonuses to be included with your product, just click the link down the description below that I provided, okay, in the description box, okay? All right, so let's go back on the sales page. Okay, here we go. All right, so it says here, not only can you plug these emails into your autoresponder and use the included FTRV1 affiliate promotional black book to be promoting something today, but these emails come with a private label license so that you can use these emails as an asset to sell, right? So this is actually great. Just like what I told you, I already mentioned this to you at the bonus page. These are the one that is included, okay? If you make the decision to grab the free traffic resources newsletter package today, okay? And you will be, you have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. He says here, I say stop reading this boring sales letter and grab your copy of my free traffic resources volume 1 email sequence today, right? So this is him, okay? Cam Jennings. His name is email address is camjenningspro@gmail.com. If you have any questions, you can contact him on that email. And the refund policy is Epic Conversion does not give refunds on the following. Number 1 is non-training product that have PLR or personal use rights attached to them, i.e. a series of emails or articles. And number 2 is service-based products such as coaching or consulting. All right, so that is it for this one. Let me just go back on the bonus page so I can go ahead and play this demo video for you guys. Okay, so let's do this.
Hey guys, what is up? My name is Cam Jennings and I'm the creator of Free Traffic Resources Volume 1. I want to thank you so much for your interest in my product. And what I want to do now is I just want to kind of give you a little tour of the sales page, give you a little tour of what you get inside, and just kind of, explain a couple things to you so you can buy with confidence, okay? So let's go ahead and get over to the sales page. I'm going to share my screen with you. And we're going to head over to the sales page, okay? Now here's the sales page, and when you hit the sales page, this little audio message from me is going to start playing. Feel free to just turn that off if you don't want to hear it. It's totally cool. You wouldn't be the first person who didn't want to hear me talking. No, I'm kidding. But anyways, listen, Free Traffic Resources Volume 1. This is the sales page. This is almost an 8,000 word newsletter, 7,749 words. 14 emails in this newsletter coming with a full PLR license. I'll explain the license to you down below. Here's the cover for this product. Here's the price. This is not going to be $14.97, guys. This is actually, when you see this, it's going to be, if you catch this on sale, it's going to be $5.99. It's going to go up to $14.97 after the 4-day sale. So just keep that in mind. After the 4-day launch special, then it's going to go up to its normal price of $14.97. But when we launch this sucker, it's going to be $5.99 for the first 4 days. Okay, so keep that in mind. So the sales page just basically talks about how important traffic is and how cool it is to find kind of like underutilized, overlooked traffic sources. Things other than Facebook, things other than, YouTube or Reddit, right? What about some other stuff that's getting a lot of traffic? A lot of people just don't know about it. But it doesn't mean it's not getting a lot of traffic, and it doesn't mean you can't use it. That's kind of what this 14 email newsletter is all about, showing you how to use these underutilized resources that are getting lots of traffic, and they can help you get lots of traffic. So where do you find them? How do you use them? The what, the when, the where, the how, the who, it's all in there, right? That's what these emails are all about. It's a 14 email newsletter. It's going to show you exactly what to do. On top of that, it also comes with an affiliate program black book, guys. Now this black book is going to have affiliate programs that are going to be perfect to promote with this series, okay? This is a series of emails. These affiliate programs I put in this black book are going to be perfect to promote with this series. It's also going to come with a free training video that shows you exactly how to use these emails to make money. Okay, pretty awesome. Then it's also going to come with a bonus training about safe lists, right? Now, this newsletter is not all about safe lists. Don't get that idea, because that's not what this is about. This is just a bonus training about safe lists, because I feel safe lists is another kind of underutilized resource when it comes to driving traffic. But anyways, all that, and then you get this official PLR license. Now, what's in the license? You can find that right there on the sales page. It tells you what's in the license. Pretty cool, really good license. So basically what it means is you can not just use these emails. You can also sell these emails like an asset, okay? When you pick this package up, you're not only going to be able to use these, you're going to be able to sell them, or you're going to be able to put them in your membership site. So it's dual faceted, okay? It's pretty awesome. Anyways, then we have a little bit of samplers here. What is the subject lines of the emails, and then we just go on, and the sales page is very streamlined. It basically just tells you what you're going to be getting, what are the benefits of the features, because I'm not trying to waste your time by repeating myself 8 zillion times and positioning this offer in about 1,000 different ways. Not going to do it. I know you're just going to skim the sales page anyway to try to find the information you need. So I want to give you the information you need, and I want to let you make a good buying decision, and that's it. So that's what the sales page is. What happens when you buy this product, okay? When you buy this product and you pick it up, you're going to be getting a downloadable PDF, right? And the reason I like to do it like this is because that way you don't have to memorize a password. You don't have to get login information. Have you ever bought a product and you didn't get access to the product when you bought it? Now you get this thing that says check your email for login details. Then you go to check your email and the login details never come. And now you're writing an email to customer support and it's 2 days and you still haven't seen your product, right? I hate that. It's a nightmare, right? So I didn't want that with these products that I'm putting out right now. I wanted it to be easy for you to access your stuff. When you bought it, I want you to be able to download it, right, immediately. So what happens is when you buy this, boom, here it is, simple little PDF. And this is a PDF that it's a navigational, right? It navigates to the resources. So what happens is you got links. That first link is the complete newsletter, all the emails right there. Right there. That second one is unbranded cover art, right? Because you get the cover art, and these emails are unbranded, you guys, by the way. These emails are unbranded. They're for you to use, right? So the third one is the PLR license to the emails. Then you got the instructional video. You got the affiliate program black book. You got the safe list training. And then you got some additional resources and bonuses down here. You got a link to unlock the deluxe media package if you want to. And that's it, right? That is it. Straightforward, product, it's a straightforward product, man. You know, an easy transaction for you, and that's what I'm about, man. I like to be very, transparent with people. I want you to know what you're getting. I don't think it's cool to have a bunch of surprises unless it's a birthday or something. You know what I mean? If it's not my birthday, I don't want to be surprised. So that's kind of how I feel about it. I'm sure you guys probably feel the same. Yeah, so that's why it is the way it is. Then we got some more recommended resources down here. Of course, my email is there, my other assets, YouTube channel, stuff like that, refund policies, all that kind of stuff is on there. But it's just a simple little PDF. You can store it right there on your hard drive, and you have it, right? Nice and easy peasy, right? And that's what it is. So anyways, guys, let me go ahead and stop sharing my screen. That's about it. That is what Free Traffic Resources Volume 1 is. And you might wonder, why did you bother putting the Volume 1 on there? Well, I'll tell you why. Because I have every intention of coming back and making a Volume 2 a little ways down the line. Why? Because I know this is an awesome newsletter. I know it's going to help a lot of people, and I know a lot of people are going to get something out of it. So I most definitely want to do a Volume 2. There are so many underutilized traffic resources out there. It's going to be so easy for me to do another volume of emails like this. So anyways, that's it for me, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this little tour of, Free Traffic Resources Volume 1. Buy with confidence. I will see you inside. And yeah, have an awesome day. All right, peace.